Why curd is good for hair health. If you are looking for herbal splendour remedies, then we are positive you would recognize that curd is one of these really helpful substances that is typically used for hair care. Yes, this dairy product is now not simply preferred on the eating table, however, additionally proves to be a meal for your hair. Various recipes for hair care name in for curd that when blended with a handful of different herbal components can grant nourishment and conditioning to the hair follicles, consequently giving you smooth, silky and radiant hair. Curd offers deep nourishment to your hair. Here are 5 advantages of making use of curd for hair. Number 1. Stop dandruff. Dandruff troubles are frequent, however, as stressful as they might also be, they can be tackled with herbal treatments like curd. Mix 1 tablespoon of gram flour with half of a cup of curd and observe it on the scalp. Let it continue to be for 20 minutes and then wash it. Used generally to forestall dandruff issues. Number 2. Stop hair fall. Curd affords deep nourishment to the hair follicles, making them sturdy and healthy. A tried and examined recipe is to mix curd with fenugreek paste that helps in stopping hair fall considerably. Soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, meti, seeds in a single day and make a paste. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of curd and follow it to your scalp. Leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it with moderate shampoo. Number 3. Very good conditioner. Curd affords extreme nourishment to the hair, in particular for dry and stupid hair. Full fat curd is a must pick. After shampooing your hair, observe half of a cup of curd on your hair and then wash for a clean effect. You can additionally observe honey to the combine for introduced benefit. Number 4. Add Radiance. Who does not want bright hair? Your desire can truly come proper if you frequently use curd alongside egg as a hair mask. Break an egg in a cup of curd and use it as a hair mask. You can additionally add a spoon of henna powder for the introduced effect. Number 5. Stop the itchy scalp. Dryness and itching are some of the frequent hair troubles primarily based on many. If an itchy scalp has been developing havoc, then take a cup of curd and combine it with plant acids like the juice of 1 lemon or 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This will alleviate itching instantly. Use those smooth and powerful domestic treatments and make the maximum of the blessings of curd.